New Yorkers are no strangers to surprises. Magicians in the subway, a guy dressed as a shrimp in Times Square, and pigeons that fear absolutely nothing. But on that crisp winter day, Central Park witnessed something entirely new. A bear on a bicycle. The bear, whose name was Boris, at least that's what the tag on his bicycle said, was leisurely pedaling along on a green bicycle. Perched on his head was a red Santa hat with a fluffy pom-pom. Boris was enormous, but moved with the grace of a ballerina, ringing his bike bell whenever someone absent-mindedly wandered into his path. But the most striking thing wasn't Boris's size or his festive outfit. It was his booming voice as he sang holiday songs in an unmistakable Russian accent. Why did a bear have a Russian accent? Nobody knew. Jingle bells, jingle bells! His deep voice echoed through the park, attracting crowds of tourists, children, and even curious squirrels. As Boris cycled past the carousel, everything came to a standstill for a moment. Even the carousel itself stopped spinning. The operator was too stunned to keep it running. Boris waved a massive paw at the mesmerized crowd and continued his journey toward the lake. The most legendary moment of all came when Boris reached the skating rink. A crowd of onlookers had already gathered, smartphones in hand, eager to capture the fuzzy performer. Spotting the icy rink, Boris hit the brakes, rose up on the pedals, and, to everyone's surprise, bellowed, "Ice cream!" Then he launched into his version of Let It Snow. Let it go, let it go. Even though I'm a hungry bear, I will find out where they share. One more ice cream cone. The crowd was delighted. People cheered, applauded, and even danced along. Boris, ever the generous entertainer, began handing out colorful ice cream cones to the kids, wishing everyone a Merry Christmas as he did so. The park buzzed with excitement long after Boris had left. Central Park felt just a little more magical that day, thanks to a singing, cycling bear named Boris, who proved that the holiday spirit can shine brightly, even on two wheels, and even if you're a bear.